Link course activities to your gradebook by associating activities with grade items. This tutorial shows how to associate an activity with a grade item. You can associate different activities with grade items, such as discussions, assignments, and quizzes. In this example, we will associate a discussion topic with a grade item. To begin, navigate to the topic you want to associate with an item in your gradebook. Click the topic's context menu and select Edit Topic. Next, click Assessment. If you have already created the grade item in your gradebook, select the item you want to associate with the activity from the drop-down list. In this example, we have not already created the grade item. To create the grade item, click New Grade Item. Enter a name for the grade item. If the grade item will belong to a category in your gradebook, select the category from the drop-down list. In this example, we want the grade item to belong to the Discussion Participation category. Select the additional properties, if any, that you want to include with your grade item, such as a grade scheme or restriction options. When you are ready, click Save. Enter the score that the topic will be out of. We are using a points gradebook, where each discussion item is currently worth 15 points. To keep items within the category evenly distributed, we will enter 15 in the Score Out of field. When you are ready, click Save and Close. We have now associated the course activity with the designated grade item. Link course activities to your gradebook by associating activities with grade items.